Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on the license plate light on the back of my Elantra. Today we're just going to be using a simple pry tool, or you could use a flathead screwdriver with some tape on the end so you don't scratch anything up. Alrighty, let's get moving. Alright, what we're going to do first is come in on this outer side, and there's going to be a clip that we have to press in, and you can just bring this down. There's these little hooks on this side that if you just pull it this way, it'll help come out. And there's our problem. The bulb wasn't even all the way in. So let's see if we can get this little rest of the housing out. Alright, so hopefully it's a simple plug and play. Let's go see if that turns on the bulb. Alrighty, that seems to have done it. Normally what you would have to do is there's these little hooks right here at the edge of it that you just clip in, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put this back in on the left side and then just click it back in, and now both the license plate lights work. Alrighty, well that was it. It worked out very easily for me, thankfully. Hopefully it goes the same for you guys. Let me know if you want anything else done on these Elantras. Maybe I can work on mine and show you how to do it. Alrighty, well thank you very much. Remember to like and subscribe and share. Yeah, see you guys next time.